Everybody knows that when you off-road Subarus, you usually end up behind the wheel of a Toyota. And when you end up behind the wheel of a Toyota, you usually start cosplaying Ford Raptors with grille lights and cut bumpers. I'm just going to skip the Toyota step and start cosplaying a Raptor by installing these little amber LED grille lights. I got a whole bag of these things for like $8. They're really cheap. I've already got some wiring supplies and everything, so we'll probably get this project done for like less than 20 bucks. I have to be honest though, I'm only really doing this because I saw that a rock punched a hole in the grill and I thought, hey, I'll bet one of these little amber lights would fit pretty nicely in that spot. So let's find out. This project's going to be pretty simple. I think I'm just going to tap this into either the daytime running lights or see if I can tap into my current fog lights, which are a set of Oxbeam P4 dual color driving lights that I have put in the fog light spot. So if these come on with fog lights, that'd actually probably be pretty good. But otherwise, we'll just put them tap them into the daytime running lights. This is not going to be a complicated install. You could easily get it done with just some basic wire and some simple connectors. Now, I think most Ford Raptors usually only have 3 of these lights. I'm going to use 4 since one is usually center and then you have 2 next to it, but the Subaru badge sits kind of dead center, so I'm going to go 2 on either side instead. So we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. We're going to kind of daisy chain them together, and then we'll find a way to tap the end of that daisy chain into a power source. Pretty simple, actually. Pay no attention to this stuff. That has to do with our go-kart reverse trike project. I'm going to start stripping off a little bit more of the power wires here. This is BN Tech Go wire. It's silicone coated wire. It's pre-tinned for soldering and it's super flexible. Love it. I'm gonna go measure the grill on the Forester and so I can guesstimate how much I'm gonna need to add to each one of these. Alright, so it looks like between here and here I'm gonna need 8 inches, then 12 inches, and then another 8 inches. So I'm using these little solder seal connectors. I love these things. Once you learn how to do it without burning through it, you gotta be patient with them applying heat, but they heat shrink and then they melt this ring of solder and make a really nice watertight kind of connection there. And then sometimes I even go the extra step of adding more adhesive lined heat shrink over the top of that. But they're nice, convenient, not too expensive. I'll put a link down below if you want to check them out for yourself. Alright, now we got our stuff daisy chained together. As you can see, positive and negative all grounded to the 4 lights. We'll tie this up with tape, put some connectors on these tag ends here. This one's probably just going to get bolted to the body somewhere, and this one will go to whatever power source we can find. Tidy this up, punch these into the grill, and I'm an idiot. Yeah, I just did all that and didn't think that about the fact that there's no way to put this through the grill. Alright, so I put on some little spade connectors so that now I can actually feed these through the grill. So let's find the right size drill and punch some holes in the grill. This is the daytime running light. As you can see, it's quite well and burnt out, but that's okay. I'm just going to use it to rob the power. So I snipped it off. We're going to splice these into here, and then we'll boom. will have the grill lights on whenever the daytime running lights are on. This part's easy enough. It's quite literally just connecting red and black. Tidy it up, use a little bit of heat shrink, tuck the wires away, then we can turn on the key and see how they look. There it is. For less than $20, we turned this old Forester into a serious overlander. Thanks for watching.